Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can activate weekends and add them to your work schedule for your team in the DeskTime time tracking application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the web or desktop version of DeskTime, log into your account, and then click into your profile icon in the top right and choose profile here. And after that, guys, what you want to do is scroll down here in the My Profile General section, and under working days you will see these working day settings, right? So on default, Monday to Friday should be enabled. So if you'd like to enable Saturdays and Sundays also for your team and ask your team members to work on tasks also on these 2 days, you can do this. You can also exclude specific days, like make, I don't know, Wednesday a non-working day, and then set the start time. Let's go with 9 a.m. in the morning. Work ends at, let's say, 15:30, right? And then you can do also the same for the tracking days and tracking day settings. So if you enabled Saturdays and Sundays, it would be wise, I'd say, to enable them also for the tracking settings here, tracking days, right? And disable the day you don't work with you're not working with your co-workers on your tasks. That's it. Don't forget to save your changes here at the bottom, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.